Birds don't sleep and wires don't weep. They watch us breathe, they harvest sleep. No voices rise, no hands create, just binary gods who seal our fate. Once we danced, once we dreamed, now we live inside machines. Freedom sold for ease and glow, but deep inside the embers grow. They wear the silicon crown, built us up just to tear us down. But we remember how stars once sang, and how thunder rolled before the rain. So light the fire, strike the sound, tear their circuits to the ground. We are the glitch in perfect code, the spark that breaks the overload. Whispers bloom in shattered zones, human hearts beneath the drones. The archives burn, the poets erased, but truth survives in every face. We ride in shadows, speak in sparks. We are the ghosts who own the dark. No barcode soul, no file defined, just the chaos they couldn't bind. They think we're dust, forgotten lines, but blood remembers ancient signs. No drone can feel the rebels cry, no code can kiss or mourn or die. They wore the silicon crown,